If you want to generate $1,000 from TikTok and Instagram, this video is only for you because this method is super easy and you'll be able to earn dollars from day one. So make sure to watch all parts of this video, lest you miss any important point. The great point for you is you can generate this type of video anywhere in the world and earn passive income for your luxury life. Today, I will show you the complete method of promoting pet affiliate products from Instagram and TikTok accounts that will raise your dollars from mind-touching videos through the power of AI tools. Just take a look at these Instagram and TikTok accounts that are promoting pet-related products and getting millions of views and great sales commissions. Now the question will come to your mind, how can you earn thousands of dollars just from the commission of the product? Then in this video, I will give you complete information on the basis of which you will understand the whole formula. Under this formula, you have to follow 3 steps after which you will be able to achieve your goals. First, you need to select a trending niche that people are searching for. Second, you need to find products in your niche that people need and are looking for. The third is to create an interesting video about the use of the product that will entice people to buy it. Find the niche. Let's explore the viral niches and trending products that have great potential and are getting more attention from viewers. Number 1. Beauty products. Beauty niche is so popular at this time, and many people are promoting beauty products on TikTok and Instagram accounts by crafting beauty and makeup tutorials. Beauty and makeup niche has a great potential to stand with other viral niches for getting great sales, and you can go with this. Number 2. Health and hygiene. Promoting health and hygiene within the bodybuilding and gym community can indeed be a highly effective strategy. This niche is filled with individuals often keenly interested in diet plans, supplements, and proteins to enhance their performance and achieve their fitness goals. You can target and engage them through your captivating and impressive videos. Number 3. Pet products. In this type of channel, you can review pet products that simplify pet owners' lives and target your audience using both TikTok and Instagram accounts. You might be wondering how to find trending products in this niche that will truly impress pet owners for their daily use. For this purpose, you have 2 options. First, visit TikTok and search for trending products that people are promoting through their accounts. If the recently uploaded product videos have millions of views and likes, you can choose those products for your social media accounts. The next option is to go to Amazon and check the same product on multiple accounts and the selling number of this product. If the sold number is high, that means you can promote it. Crafting these types of videos is really time-consuming and a little bit difficult process. You need the product, images, script, and voiceover to make the complete video. But in this video, I will explain the easy process to make the product review video within just some clicks. In this video, I am introducing a new and easy-to-use AI tool that generates videos with just a few clicks, delivering the best results. This tool is called Creative.ai, which makes your video making process super easy with some settings. I would like to review this product because I found it to be trending and a great seller, but you can select as your choice. First, you need to copy the link to this specific product. Then go to the Creatify.ai website and press the Create Now tab. The next window will open and you will see the search bar for the product link. Paste your link here and then press Analyze URL option. On this page, you can see name of product and description of it. Check whether it is the same, the product, then press Next. Here you have to select settings according to your account. Select the resolution of your TikTok or Instagram account. Select 9:16 for it, and select the language timing duration and target audience of your video. I'm choosing the English language 60-second timing and pet owners for my video, but you can select as your requirements. You can see that it will show 4 types of descriptions of the video, and you can select one by your choice. It's not just 4 descriptions, but these are 4 multiple types of videos that make this tool unique from others. For my video, I'm going with it, and now you can watch that they have several options of video with talking avatars. You can select any version of it, but if you are not satisfied with this talking avatar, then you can change it by selecting other talking characters on the right side, male or female, with 1 click. The crazy thing is that all AI avatar characters look realistic, and you can also change the voice from this option. After making all the settings, you can render this video by clicking the render option and in a few minutes it will generate the outstanding video for your TikTok account. Take a look.
Hey everyone, gather round for a quick real-life saver story. Picture this. Knee-deep in pet hair from my 2 furball cats, frustrated with short-handled rollers and tired of getting backaches. Then, I found the Beeland carpet rake for pet hair removal. Life-changing. It's got a 60-inch adjustable handle, meaning no more bending, and the set comes with a silicone Y-shaped remover and a grooming glove. Instantly, cleaning became a breeze, and my carpets, spotless. Seriously, if you love your pets but hate the mess, grab this rake. Your back will thank you, and hey, your home will finally be hair-free. Get yours now and save your time and energy.
If you are planning to start your earning journey, then I think this tool will be a great helper and option for those already working on it. Be patient in making your video viral, and for 1 month, regularly upload videos according to this type of content, then slowly you can go viral. Soon, I will come up with new, exciting, unique ideas for making money from social media accounts with easy steps. Until next time, take care.